Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are starting with the beautiful blend of blue, yellow and purple mixed with the white to create this stunning background. I used yellow and purple mixed with the white. So in the center we have a majestic mountain standing tall. Behind it a beautiful valley, a lush green trees in the foreground look very calm. So now I add the backgrounds for the trees because there is a lots of trees in this painting. So for making a multiple trees, you have to create the background like this with the dark colors, and the prominent trees you have to create these trees one by one with details because it look stunning and details, and these trees are highlighted in your painting. So as you can see, I use a leaf green, a black and a yellow green and green and white. All of these colors are used to make these backgrounds. Finally, it's time to creating the highlights because without highlights your painting cannot be look so real and cannot define its purpose. So keep in your mind where the light is coming from in your painting. So now finally peel off the masking tape, and here we go. Our beautiful landscape is complete.